Is that your phone ringing?
Yes, it's my alarm.
What time is it now?
6 a.m.
6 already. It's still dark outside.
Yes, the sun isn't up yet.
I feel very sleepy.
Me too. My eyes feel heavy.
I don't want to move.
I know that feeling.
Why do we set it so early?
We planned a morning run.
Oh, yes, I remember now. We talked about it last night.
Yes, we did.
I was excited then.
Me too.
But now it feels harder.
Mornings are always hard.
My bed feels so warm.
And the room feels quiet.
Listen for a moment.
What do you hear?
Is that the wind outside?
No, listen closely.
Oh, it's rain.
Yes, soft rain.
Rain this early in the morning?
Yes, it started before dawn.
Is it a big storm?
No, not at all.
It's just steady rain.
The sound is calm.
It almost makes you want to sleep more.
My body wants more rest.
Mine too.
My eyes are closing again.
Don't fall asleep. Open them slowly. It's hard to wake up.
Just take a deep breath.
Okay.
Remember our goal?
3 miles today.
Yes, for our fitness plan.
We said we would not skip it,
Even if it rains.
even if we feel tired.
That's right.
Help me sit up.
Take my hand.
Okay, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
Finally up.
It's raining outside.
Yes, I can hear it.
The rain sounds steady.
And the air feels cold.
What should we wear today?
We should choose light clothes.
Light clothes for running?
Yes, light and comfortable.
Should I wear cotton?
No, avoid cotton today.
Why should we avoid cotton?
Cotton gets heavy when it's wet.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes, and it holds water.
That doesn't sound good.
It isn't good for running.
And cotton stays cold, too.
Exactly. It stays wet and cold.
That could make us uncomfortable.
Or even sick.
Okay, no cotton then.
Good decision.
I'll wear my tech shirt instead.
That's a smart choice.
It feels light and soft.
And it dries quickly.
Should I wear short sleeves?
I think long sleeves are better.
Because it's cold outside?
Yes, and because of the rain.
Long sleeves will keep me warm.
Exactly.
Now I need my running jacket.
Check the back corner of the room.
Behind the door?
Yes, near the shelf.
Let me look. Oh, I see it. Is that the one with the hood?
Yes, it has a big hood.
That's perfect for rain.
The hood will cover my head.
And protect your face.
I'll zip it up fully.
Good idea.
I need my running tights now.
Are they clean and dry?
Yes, I washed them yesterday.
That's good planning.
They feel warm, too.
Warm muscles are important.
Yes, I don't want stiff legs.
I can't find my cap.
Did you check the table?
Not there.
Look on the top shelf.
Oh, you're right. Here it is.
Great.
The visor will block the rain.
And keep water out of your eyes.
That will help me see clearly.
Especially when we run fast.
I'm tying my shoes now.
Take your time.
These are my running shoes.
Are they waterproof?
Yes, they are Gore-Tex.
That's perfect for this weather.
My feet will stay dry.
And warm.
Wet shoes feel terrible.
I agree.
Are you bringing an umbrella?
Yes, just in case.
Even while running?
We can use it before and after.
That makes sense.
Better to be prepared.
I think we're ready now.
Yes, we're dressed well.
Ready for the rain?
Ready for the run.
Wow, the air feels sharp.
Yes, it's cold and fresh.
It wakes you up fast.
Much better than coffee.
Take a deep breath.
In and
I can smell the rain.
It smells clean.
The street looks shiny.
That's the wet asphalt,
It reflects the street lights.
like a mirror.
The rain is very light.
Just a mist.
It's touching my face.
Tiny drops.
My hands feel cold.
Mine too.
Should I wear my gloves?
Not yet.
They'll warm up soon?
Yes, after a few minutes.
My breath looks wet.
That means it's cold.
The city is very quiet.
Everyone is still asleep.
I like mornings like this.
Me too. It feels peaceful.
Should we start running?
Let's stretch first.
Okay.
Start with your neck.
Like this?
Yes, slow circles.
My shoulders feel tight.
Roll them back gently.
My calves feel tight.
Do some lunges.
1, 2.
Keep your balance.
The ground is slippery.
Be careful.
My legs feel stiff.
Stretch your hamstrings too.
Oh, that pulls.
Hold it for 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3.
Don't bounce.
Okay,
How does it feel now?
much better.
Good. Stretching is important.
My feet feel ready.
Check your laces.
Check your laces.
They're tight.
Good.
I feel nervous
That's normal.
and excited.
That's better.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let's start slow.
Very slow.
Easy pace.
Watch the puddles.
Step around them.
The sidewalk is clear here.
Yes, this part is safe.
Which route today?
The big loop.
Past the park?
Yes, toward the bakery.
I like that smell.
Fresh bread in the rain.
That's motivation.
Ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go.